Almost every outdoor kitchen will start with a gas grill. The grill is typically the focal point and an ideal place to start with the decision-making. Next should be some stainless steel access doors for reaching your plumbing for the gas grill. Even the most basic of outdoor kitchens can include the functionality of your indoor kitchen. And to keep yourself from running inside too much, side burners are a great addition for heating sauces and sides. Really just about anything you can cook on your indoor cooktop. A sink for rinsing items and washing hands is quite common as well. Lots of people use single access doors underneath sinks and side burners for easy access to your grill and water plumbing. Another popular component would be a trash bin conveniently placed nearby to dispose of garbage and any food waste. Finally, you can't forget about an outdoor refrigerator to keep your beverages cold for your family and friends when entertaining.